hail. Uh, emergency management confirmed it. Tornado on the ground. Highway 35 and County Road 11. Uh, this is this is on the ground, guys. Please stay in your safe shelter. Please, like your safe shelter. Please stay in there because there's no good rotation with this storm. Again, yeah, it's all right. It's you definitely want to stay in your safe shelter. Uh, this lasts until 10
I'm back.
45. All right. This lasts until 10:45. We definitely see a hook echo on reflectivity heading right for Scottsboro right now. So please, Hollywood, Dunton, um, Pisgah, I would get in your safe shelter right now. Um, they I know y'all they haven't added you in a tornado warning, but I would recommend me personally. I would recommend you get in your safe shelter. Uh, Same as Hangar, Slovenia, uh, section. You should be good. Aspel, you should be good. Um, y'all are still in that tornado warning, but y'all are probably good now. The Scottsboro, Hollywood, Pisgah, and
Yeah, I'm gonna just kind of mention real quick. Sorry to interrupt you there.
you're
We're not
completely
we don't have a tornado on the ground yet over Scottsboro, and we want to continue to see this. That we don't see a tornado on the ground. But really, as of now, you folks need to be in your safe place in Scottsboro, and this is an important situation. You can actually see that couplet down here. That's around the what's it call it? Poorhouse Mountain. I'm gonna guess that's what that is called there. But we continue to see this area of rotation here just near Scottsboro. If this continues, we'll most likely see the tornado move into this town, and we would hate to see this, honestly. I mean, here's another very classical supercell look. And in Huntsville, here we go again with
I'm
another round.
sorry, Nick, but they have. I'm sorry to interrupt you, sir.
You're good. Go ahead.
They have extended that tornado warning for Huntsville
Yep.
right west of that Scottsboro tornado warning. This is gonna expire in 40 minutes. So I think 11:05. I think or 11:15, 11:10. That will expire. Uh,
And sorry to interrupt you there.
you're
I
completely
do
fine.
want to also mention that our trying to watch towards the western counties, just west of I-65, including Limestone, well, not Limestone, excuse me, Morgan, Coleman, Lawrence, Lauderdale, Colbert, and Haleyville, I think. I forget which county this is. Um, those areas there, y'all will be allowed to be expired, and I think I mentioned Lawrence too, but we're going to be expired to allowed to be removed from this tornado watch. We'll later on possibly see a newer tornado watch get issued or not. It just very much depends on if we're going to see anything tomorrow, which I think we will. We most definitely will early in the morning. I'm continuing to keep an eye on the school delays and stuff to see if they're going to delay us or not. Um,
Yes,
but as of now, not seeing much.
you're okay. You're okay for now, right?
Yep, we're good for now.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. That's good.
I'm gonna
Uh,
wait here, but we could. Um, we're just gonna continue to really watch the supercell near Scottsboro, but that's a larger city. Um,
yeah.
again, I have a family member that lives out here in Scottsboro, so hopefully they're in their safe place.
Yeah, if you need to, we can stay. We can stay on Scottsboro if you want, because you're family member.
Yeah, if y'all want, y'all can kind of cover the Huntsville area and kind of switch over from CC to correlate or CC to reflectivity to velocity,
Yeah, I can
within that.
do whatever you want me to do, sir.
All right,
Hey
that's go ahead.
Nicholas,
Go ahead.
I'm heading out for the night.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a wonderful night, and you did a very great job, just as much as Tanner did and Austin did. Y'all did awesome today. You have a blessed night. I'll see you tomorrow.
I
Bye.
this is co-owner and media director Travis Murray. I'm heading out for the night. You guys be safe. Listen to Nicholas and Austin. while they do help you guys with these tornado warnings.
Thank you, and we hope you have a wonderful night. So again, we continue to see our multiple tornado warnings out here towards the Madison region and including Jackson County. Thank you everybody for tuning in here. If you're still here with us at this almost 11 o'clock hour here, very late night work. Let's see. If the storms move in early tomorrow morning, and if I can get up early enough, let's see. So a few showers and storms can be expected to move through around.
Hey Nick, can I say something real quick?
Yep, go ahead.
If you need me tomorrow morning, I'll be perfect. I'll wake up whatever time you need me to wake up. I'll be there tomorrow morning.
Okay.
What time would you want me to wake up for these times?
Don't exactly know just yet. I'm looking at the models. It looks like around 9Z or 9 a.m. Central Daytime. We could see something within that. So that's going to be during school hours. And I'm also waiting to see if they're going to cancel or delay school. Just trying to see what their plan is out here in the region. We've already got multiple schools delayed.
What school do you go to? Austin City Junior, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, many schools continue to be the same amount of schools right now continue to be delayed, as I mentioned earlier. So Morgan County schools, Limestone County schools, Madison County, those areas continue to be delayed. But the Decatur City school system, those areas are not. Yeah.
They're based in the city, right? Decatur City, right?
Yep.
So there's a good chance you probably won't be delayed.
Most likely, because it's late at night now. So.
Yeah. So for the Scottsboro tornado warning, I'm seeing a decrease in rotation. If Nick, you want to look at that?
Yeah, I was gonna mention just before then that we are starting to see the storm maybe recycle, and again we're getting that hook echo to include into itself. So Scottsboro, you got decently lucky. You probably got some larger hail, gustier winds, but as of now, you got pretty lucky within that storm.
Can I say something real quick? I'm sorry for
interrupting. You're good.
Huntsville, I'm seeing a little bit of decrease of rotation
well,
as well.
Actually, hold that thought.
Yeah.
Just now coming in that we are getting power flashes reported in the Huntsville metro again. So that being said, and actually you can actually see a decently strong, and thank you Ian Malikot for mentioning that. You can see a decent velocity couplet there. There is more power flashes being reported, so a possible new tornado is possibly on the ground out in Huntsville, just north of the Huntsville metro.
Around Normal and Chase.
Do what?
Around Normal and Chase.
Yeah, around that area. If not the actual Huntsville metro. You're good.
Sorry.
All good. I understand. It's kind of deceiving sometimes.
I don't know what's been up with me tonight, to be honest.
Hey, you've done an awesome job tonight, so don't feel bad.
That's kind of. If I'm gonna be honest, that's kind of why I left earlier, because I felt terrible.
Right. Well, we got to stay strong for the rest of this. Try to keep people aware.
Yes, sir. You're right. You're right, sir.
Yeah, we're continuing to see power flashes. We'll see what the National Weather Service does with this.
Do you want to look up some cameras in the Huntsville area?
We could try, but there's not very many out there.
Okay. I'm currently on Radar Omega. I'm looking at Brad Arnold right now.
Okay.
I think he's on Interstate 565 going into. I'm gonna look at CC right now, see if there's drop. No, not drop yet on CC.
I'm currently looking towards that area. It's McDonald Road. Let's see where that's at.
So they have extended a tornado warning for that Scottsboro Hollywood tornado warning. They have extended it, and which will expire
and now
47
it's radar
minutes.
indicated too.
Pisgah, Hangar, Sylvania, Eider, Valley Head. Uh, yeah, Valley Head. Uh, like I said, I think it's probably around 10 minutes ago. I would get into your safe shelter because I had a feeling they're gonna extend it. Hey, Nick,
Yep.
can you look at Scottsboro? Storm, you may want to look at this.
Oh yeah, we got a tight velocity couplet. So this
Yep.
storm held up long enough to stay out of Scottsboro. Now it's strengthened up once again. This is heading straight for Pisgah and Central, going east and heading towards the Townsend Crossroads region there. We're really continuing to really keep an eye on this storm. Just a very, very crazy night tonight, honestly. And I would hate to kind of leave us off here. I know we are getting fairly close here to trying to maybe end off the stream so we can wake up early tomorrow and try to keep alive on this. But I'm going to stay here for a little bit longer. We're going to probably stay here till 11 o'clock time frame, and then we are going to have to end it from there. So how does that sound to you?
That sounds fine.
Um, and
Can
I
we
will have
stay a
to.
little bit longer, even if the rotation strengthens even more? If that's okay with you, sir. I just don't want to leave.
Uh,
If it
Unfortunately,
strengthens.
not because unfortunately, not because we are going to have to cover tomorrow as well. So I'm going to try to get some sleep.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Um,
Still no CC drop for the Scottsboro one.
yep. So we're continuing to really watch this system.
Oh, okay, okay. Um,
Let's see.
so this tornado warning, this new one that they extended, uh, this will last for another 45 minutes. This is radar indicated. However, this has been growing in rotation. So please be in your safe shelter. Tornado and the quarter size hail, radar indicated rotation. Mobile homes will be damaged, destroyed. Vehicles will occur. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. True damage is likely. Uh, Please move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is a storm that has been growing in rotation, uh, right between the Scottsboro and Pisgah, a little bit north of Dutton, Alabama. Please be in your safe shelter. Please, I cannot stress that enough. Please be in your safe shelter. This has been growing in rotation, so this is why I'm kind of like I'm kind of sound like a broken record, basically.
Yeah, I agree with you on that very much, Austin. Um, we are continuing to really keep an eye around this storm as it continues. Um, is continuing to really rotate. I'm noticing how we are mostly seeing some winds really being picked it up. We're
Picked up.
seeing some winds being picked up out here just east of Scottsboro, within that rotation. So we're really going to keep an eye on the storm as it continues. But we are beginning to really start watching these storms out here. This is our mesoscale cyclone that's going to be moving into our region later tonight, going into early tomorrow morning. We've got several more hours before this actually gets here, but again, we're most likely going to end it around 11 o'clock. Unfortunately, I would love to stay here longer, but we don't need to do this while we have school and then while it's just way too much. And I want to make sure everybody is able to get some sleep. And yeah, but that doesn't mean the event is over.
Definitely not.
All right, folks, I want to mention just now, we probably have a tornado on the ground in Huntsville. Huntsville. I do apologize. There has been reports multiple times already of power flashes. If you are in the Huntsville metro, You need to be in your safe place, and you need to continue to be in your safe place at this time. Um, if you're in Chase, Country Village, Ashland, Ryland, Maysville, how many times has Huntsville been impacted today, honestly?
I think like 3 times, maybe.
Most likely. This storm is starting to kind of break up a little bit, so that's for one thing. But
Yeah,
I'm hoping it continues to break up. But
it's like one storm's breaking up and one storm's getting back rotation or strength.
right,
You know what I mean? Strength. Oh, never mind. Because a little bit of rotation just got weakened on the Scottsboro tornado warning, but there's still extremely good winds with this storm. Oh my gosh.
agreed. I'm actually gonna take a look at it. Let's see.
Pisgah, Dutton, Hennigar, Sylvania, Valley Head, please be in your safe shelter. Oh, and Eider, please be in your safe shelter right now.
Agreed. And we're continuing to really watch these storms as they continue throughout the rest of tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of give dual view so we can see both of these storms.
Okay.
Very long nights continues, and yeah.
For this, I'm gonna go back to the Scottsboro one, Nick. I'm sorry. I'm talking about this one so
Hey, it's
much.
okay.
Um, Other locations impacted will be, you know, Dutton, Martintown, Mintown, Rosalie, Sulphur Springs, Valley Head, and Hammondville. Um, take cover now. Please be inside. Um, yeah, this storm is destruct. Like it has a really good winds with this storm. So please take caution. This lasts until uh 11 I think 11:40 or 11:30. This lasts until 11:30 Central Daylight Time, and for this is for Central Jackson County in northeastern Alabama and DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama. We're gonna go back to the storm in Huntsville. There's still good rotation with this storm. Are you still getting anything about power flashes, Nick?
Yep, I am gonna mention, even from Evan Freyberger, power flashes right before the video, brief touchdown in Huntsville. So a brief spin up was reported a little while ago in Huntsville from this current supercell. So take that to note that this storm is briefly still continuing to cause issues. You need to be in your safe place around that area. We continue to really keep an eye. Hold on, wait, hold that thought. Never mind. Okay, we'll go. We continue to really keep an eye on these storms as my brain's not working. As Austin said, we really are going to continue to watch the storm in Pisco. But I want to mention, Austin, this storm is really going outflow dominant at this time. Well, not outflow, but it's
No,
going. It's showing that wind, that stronger winds with it.
yeah, that's what I was saying. That stronger winds. That's what I was
Now,
saying.
now I want to mention it's probably going to re-wrap back it out in front of itself, and we'll see something from there. But
I agree, sir. I completely agree with you. This is a very unique kind of night.
yep,
We've
I
had
agree.
we've had Huntsville hit like 3 times, right, Nick?
Yep.
And then
And take this to note that Huntsville is a bigger town, so
oh yeah, oh yeah. Isn't Huntsville like one of the biggest
yep.
towns?
Huntsville has officially made it as the biggest town in Alabama so far.
Oh, okay.
But
So
I hate. Let's see, we're gonna be here till 11 when they allow this one to expire. I think they're gonna allow that one to expire around 11:30. So I hate to let us go here, Austin, but we're gonna have to head out for the night, as Nick has got to get some sleep, get ready for tomorrow, and get his alarm clock set so we can help out tomorrow. How does that
that's
sound?
that's all right, sir.
All right.
Just
Well,
just text me, all right?
I sure will. You have a blessed night. And folks, thank you for tuning in here. This was a very, very long stream. 3 hours of just coverage, wall-to-wall coverage throughout this area. We still got 2 tornado warnings. Even though that we're leaving out now, if you're in Huntsville, you need to continue to be in your safe place. If you're out in Gurley, continue into your be in your safe place. If you're in Hangar, also, you need to be in your safe place there. This storm is mainly going to be causing damaging winds, but it's still tornado warned for another 37 minutes. The one in Huntsville, you've got 22 minutes. But as of now, thank you for tuning in here. We sure do hope you have a safe and wonderful Wednesday evening. Tune in with us tomorrow as we will keep you weather aware. We hope you have a wonderful and blessed full night.